what can I say? Ronald is just what he is just amazing. So the video I see all over Facebook, it really is just how it is in person. So thank you.
Si Ronald, magaling mag-direct sa mga kukunan niya ng picture. Talaga lahat napapasunod niya.
Yeah.
Thank you also for putting up with my katarayan kasi masyado na akong tense. Sobra kong na-appreciate si Ronald kasi very professional.
Okay. Thank you. Up here.
Greetings!
Very good, very good. And I recommend him sa mga susunod pag-ibang event.
Thank you, sir. Up here.
Excellent service to our photographer and videographer. Kaya thank you very much.
Thank you, Ronald. Galing-galing mo. Pwedeng ulit yun. Sige, recommend kita.
Thank you, ma'am.
Napakaganda.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sa susunod, magbubuk talaga kami ulit.
Thank you po. Congrats.
Up dreaming!
Thank you sa magandang video and photo sa lahat. Nakakatuwa ang service nyo. Thank you very much.
100%.